Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Xiaomi 12X and let me share with you how to activate automatic system updates on this device. So first of all, let's enter the settings and find About Phone. Now let's keep tapping on the MIUI version, and thanks to this operation we will activate the developer options, in which we've got the proper option. So as you can see right now we are at developer, so we can go back to the general settings, and here let's scroll down in order to find additional settings. Now we have to scroll down to the very bottom to enter developer options, and here all we have to do is to simply scroll in order to find the the automatic system updates. And as you can see here, we've got this option. In my case it is inactive, so all you have to do is to simply tap on the switcher, and since this option is active, since it looks like right now, it means that your device will be allowed to apply the updates when it will be restarted. So you do not really need to remember about updating your device, just about the restarting. So of course you can turn off this option whenever you want to, just by tapping on the switcher again. So actually this is it. This is how to enable, how to activate automatic system updates in your Xiaomi 12X. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.